Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In the previous videos, we have been designing this responsive portfolio website from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And this is how our website looks right now. Now in this video, I'll show you how to host your website online for free using a service called Netlify. And in the next video, I'll show you how to add this design to your Blogger website. So let's get started. Now the first thing you have to do is go to netlify.com and create a free account, and you can also log in using your GitHub account, and I will also leave the link of the source code of this design in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. Alright, once you are here in the Netlify dashboard, you can go over here to sites, and if you scroll down, we can see that we can just drag and drop the website folder over here. Alright, so here is my website folder, and in that we have the images folder and also these three files. So we're going to drag and drop this folder into Netlify. So let's drag this from here and drop it over here. And here we can see that our website has been hosted. So this is how fast you can host your website using Netlify. Now you can go ahead and change the URL of your website. So just click on domain settings. And if you scroll down, we can see that we have these options and we can edit the site name. And if you have a custom domain already purchased, you can go ahead and add that over here. You can learn more about that over here. But for now, let's change the site name. So let's click on edit site name. And here we'll just add some URL. So I'll just type my portfolio. Let's see whether it is available. And this name is already taken. So let's add some random numbers over here. And now we can see this is the URL of our website. So let's open this. And this is how our website looks, and everything looks just as we designed. And we also have this menu button over here, and everything works alright. Let's click on one of these dots and we are taken to that section. But one thing we need to fix over here is this contact form. So right now, if we just add some values over here, so let's just type some basic values and let's type hello over here, and let's click on send message. And we can see that when we click on send message, nothing happens. It just brings us back to the hero section. So now we need to make the contact form work. Now we can do that easily using Netlify. So in Netlify, you already have some functionality for forms. So here we can see forms. And if I click on that, and here we can see we need to add a name for our form, and we also need to add this Netlify attribute. And of course, we need to add the name for the input fields as well. And then for the button, we need to set the type to submit. So let's go back to our source code. And this is the source code. So let's scroll down and go to the contact form. And here we can see this is the form. So let's just delete the action from here. I'll just add a name for the contact form. I'll just set it to contact. And we'll also set the method to post. And then we will add this attribute called Netlify. Right now for the input fields, we need to add the names. So let's type name. And this is for name. So I'll just type name over here. And then here I'll just type name equals, and this is for the email. So I'll just type email. And then for the text area, which is the message, I'll just type message over here. And now for this button, we need to set the type to submit. So I'll just type type equals submit. Alright, so now we have made the changes to our contact form. Now let's update our website. Now to update the website, you have to go over here to deploys in Netlify. And here we can see we have this text written called, if you need to update your website, you can just drag and drop your site folder over here. So let's go to our site folder. And this is the site folder. I'll just drag and drop it over here. And our website has been updated. So let's open this once more. Right now, let's go to the contact form. And here, let's add some values. And I'll just type some message over here. Right now, let's click on send message. And now we can see we have this response by Netlify. So let's click on back to our website. And now let's go back to our Netlify dashboard and let's click on forms. And if you scroll down, we can see that we have the active forms. So let's click on contact. And if you scroll down, we can see that we have this message that we just sent. So if I click on that, we have the name, the email ID and the message. So that's how you make the contact form work in your website. Right, so that's basically it for this video. I will leave the link of the source code in the description. And in the next video, I'll show you how to add this design to your Blogger website. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.